Moran Slankin. Here we go at the 966. Turning and turning right here. Your horseman's
Okay, now I got a hunch they're going to reset that sled because right off the bat.
Hey, here we go. Turbocharger spinning up on John Diesel out of Cuba City. Got it up in the air. He did not drop a weight. He's still okay. Now, let's take a look at that quick. Okay, now we're not sure what happened there, but I'm pretty sure the sled stayed intact.
Oh, maybe.
Hardware cleaned off the track. Here you go with your local Yovo right here.
I saw more than 70 miles an hour on the RT3. Now he was watching the monitor down there and he saw he broke out, went over to Well, we're giving a whale of a ride at 297.4, 297.4 on. Right there. Dual hanger.
Damn, but can't be the money. And 15, and I believe he's got it. Now it's okay, he hasn't moved it yet. He's still all right. Gonna whistle up his turbocharger one more time. I think they're going to This has got a green. Okay, now we got green. Okay, Justin Rickman, waiting for the green. Here we go, Terry Meyer, lining up his turbocharger.